Hi, it's my birthday today, and I am going to plant up these beautiful swan planters with some beautiful things. Come along. I have these beautiful swan plants that came from a neighbor. I am going to pot them up with fuchsia, Dusty Miller, tiny bit of creeping Jenny, and lamium. I don't know about the lamium because lamium needs shade. Such a pleasant day. It always is. I'm so spoiled. My birthday in May, the beginning of May, is always so beautiful here in Utah. Look at these beautiful swan planters. I got these from a neighbor that's been here forever, and she moved to Florida where it's nice and warm and gave me these. So look at this gorgeous. I have a fuchsia. Yay! All right, let me think of where I want things first. I think I'm going to put the fuchsia by the neck. Right there. And then, oh, look, I just broke it. I'm going to try to go take a cutting of that in a minute. Maybe I'll record it. Okay. Look at these pretty colors, you guys. I love Dusty Miller. So I'm going to do a Dusty Miller on that side. Dusty Miller. Let's put the other fuchsia over here. I still think I might choose. Let's go like this and put you more in the front. Dusty Miller back here. I still need to. I'm actually going to break this up in half because I want two of them and I want them to be kind of smallish. One, I might put one this direction in the back. All right, let me get you a little closer so you can see more. Look how pretty that is. I think I'm going to go with a couple dianthus. I wasn't quite sure. But these are so pretty. Let's put a dianthus there. Dianthus on this side. One more Dusty Miller right there. I don't know if I'm going to do the lamium because how tall does the fuchsia get? You can root these little pieces. Don't throw them away. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to kind of cut this in half. And I'm going to put one on this side. And then one in the middle like that. So now I'm going to cover it with some soil. And this beautiful fuchsia right in the center. More like that. I don't know. Let's go right in the center with it, and then let's do one more of these right here. Oh, that's pretty. That is so gorgeous. Okay, now I'm just going to take some potting soil, and I am going to fill in all around it and make a giant mess. Put it in there real good, and then water it down. I'll show you how I like things. Making a mess, but it's going to be beautiful. Look at this thing. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Okay, so what I need to do now is I need to make sure I can get around and in. These planters are kind of sentimental, just because they never lived here for 50 years, and it's really sweet. There's a set. It's like a man and a woman. I'm going to water that. I'm going to do the other side first. This one's super, super low on soil. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing. I have always wanted a fuchsia. I'm so excited. And these ones won't come back, but you can take cuttings and bring them inside. Okay, so this one was kind of toward the front, like that. And then I have two Dusty Miller. Look, I love how it's the heart, the man and the woman in love. Okay, so this is, there's one there, one across the way. This one's smaller too. Dianthus there. And then maybe a dianthus in the back. I just threw it on the ground. That's what I do. Oh, dianthus in the back. We need more soil back here. And then let me rip up the Peeping Jenny all over the place. Oh, the back part didn't have hardly any soil at all back here. Let's put the soil in the back. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I'm making a mess, but it is so fun at the same time. Okay, I'm done with that. Look, I love these colors. I might have to change my mind and put it in the middle. I don't know, guys. Okay. This had 4 on the other side. I broke off a piece. I'm going to show you how to root these in just a minute. We're going to put them in soil, kind of like this, and then stick them inside. Okay. So we're going to do the same thing. Do I want to break this one up? I don't think I'm going to break it up. I think I'm just going to stick it right in the back here. Because that one was a bigger planter. Oh, I love this stuff. Peeping Jenny is so awesome. Look how gorgeous it is. I almost want to put one in the top. This thing is just so big. Okay, this one's super small, so we're just going to go with 2 more Peeping Jennies here. I'm dumping things everywhere. Okay. All right. Do we want to pull him apart? I kind of like this section right here, right in front. Just pull it all the way down. Make sure there's soil around everything. Let me get more soil and then I'll show you the final when it's all pretty. And if I decide, oh my gosh, what do you guys think? It kind of needs it, doesn't it? It just glows. But I worry these are all sun in a really hot location. Lamium, ground cover, part sun, 3 to 6 hours. It's gonna fry. So I'm not gonna put it over there. It'll fry. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna look at the fuchsia. Fuchsia better be full sun. Full sun. No, part sun. Fuchsias are part sun. But it's hardy to zone 9 to 11. Okay, I'll show you where I'm going to put it. So I am going to do lamium. Do you guys change your mind a lot like me? No, just you? Just me? Look. I change my mind a lot. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this same thing, kind of like a little that, and I'm going to try to put it, oh, I might go again. Let's go one more. And then I'm going to do 1 lamium on this side and 1 lamium on that side. So this one right here. I might change my mind and add more. We'll see. This is so fun. Look at that. Look at the color, you guys. Oh, does it need another trailing over here? Don't know if it has enough trailing. Okay. These are so fun. Definitely birthday planners here. Okay, I'm going to squish him right there. Okay, awesome. And did I get this lamium over here yet? No, I did not. I don't want to kill the fuchsia. All right, let me get some water. All right, so let me step back and look at it. I saved one of these for some other pots. That was so fun. That's why planters are addicting and so are plants. I love color. I love putting them all together. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me show you what I do. we are going to let all the water soak in and let everything settle until you almost see bubbles. Okay, let me show you. Okay, is it? Yeah, I got it going full blast, but it's okay. So I'm going to push it all the way down. It's going to be all right. We want the soil to bubble. So yeah, I'm losing some soil. I just want it all around, all the different angles, all those different root balls. Let's do the same thing here. I'm just going to go, woo, I'm losing all my soil. Maybe I should turn it down. Yeah, I'm losing some of those plants. You go turn down the water. You don't need to have it full blast. It's going to be okay though. They'll bounce back. A little closer here. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to settle all these plants all the way in and make sure the soil is all the way down. Make sure all the root balls are where they're supposed to be. Make sure I don't break too many of the things off. Oh, I broke 2 of these. Not the end of the world. But there we go. Don't break my beautiful fuchsia. Okay, now I'm going to bring a softer hose over here and get between each of them. Or I'll just set a sprinkler to all the stuff I'm doing today. This one actually looks like I need to add some more soil. So I'm going to go grab some soil and put it around some of these root balls. I don't think I got enough soil. So I'm going to kind of push the plants around. I'm going to, yeah, I got to get a lot more soil in here. Okay, now the water is barely coming out at all, but that's a little bit better. There we go. And it's going to go all the way down more than come out. It's still coming out. That's frustrating. To save yourself from losing all the soil, you could put it in wet. Oh, happy birthday to me. Yay! Bye, guys. Hi, it's the first week in July, and these planters have been pretty awesome. But now that we're hitting 100 degrees, we're going to move them more into the shade. Some of the plants have really thrived in the heat, but the fuchsia has not given me hardly any color, and I don't even think you can see the lamium in there very well. We're going to go move it. Okay, my boy moved it over here for me. So hopefully I can see some blooms on my really pretty fuchsia. These 2 did fine in the sun, but maybe over here I could get it a little bit more water. And some of those other plants to shine a little more.